today we are going to talk about time expressions. We are going to review and expand the expressions we use to talk about the past and the future. To talk about the present time, the day that is happening now, we use the word today. The day before today is yesterday. The day after today is tomorrow. For example, if today is Tuesday, yesterday was Monday, and tomorrow is Wednesday. To talk about the past day, we say yesterday. To talk about the future day, we say tomorrow, and we can use them in sentences like these. It rained yesterday. It's going to rain tomorrow. We can also use the words yesterday and tomorrow with times of the day. We can say yesterday morning, tomorrow morning, yesterday afternoon, tomorrow afternoon, yesterday evening, tomorrow evening, but be careful that we can only say last night. It's okay to say tomorrow night, but for the past day, we have to say last night. Look at the examples. I went to class last night. I'm going to go to class tomorrow night. In the same way that we use last for past, we can use next for future. He went to the doctor last week. He's going to go to the doctor next week. So we have last and next, and we can use with different expressions of time. Month, year, weekend, summer, Monday. She went home last month. She's going to go home next month. So if we consider that we are in July 2020, last month would be June, and last year would be 2019. In the same way, next month will be August, and next year will be 2021. Now let's try some exercises. Complete the sentences with words from the box. We're going to have a video call next Thursday. Escola SETC and UF developed a mechanical ventilator last month. They're going to play cards tomorrow. We watched a great live yesterday. Now let's look at the following sentences. Ed visited me 1 year ago or a year ago. I am going to be there in 5 minutes. She went to the doctor 4 days ago. We are going to see how to use numbers with ago and in. Pay attention to the following sentences. We saw them 2 months ago. He's going to go home in 2 months. We are going to go back to these sentences, but for now, pay attention to how we use ago and in. So we say 5 minutes ago, 10 minutes ago, but we say in 5 minutes, in 10 minutes from now, when we are talking about the future. And it's the same for days, weeks, months, and years. Pay attention to the examples. I washed some of the dishes 10 minutes ago. Jay is going to wash the rest in 5 minutes. Coming back to the sentences, we saw them 2 months ago. He's going to go home in 2 months. Let's just comment on the fact that people also use a couple of to talk about the number 2. So it's also possible to say, we saw them a couple of months ago, and he's going to go home in a couple of months. They visited me a few weeks ago. She's going to have a baby in a few weeks. A few is an expression that we use to talk about a small number. If you think about, we went back home a few months ago. Let's try some more exercises. We went to Geraldo Azevedo's shows in the theater. Think about it before you answer. We went to Geraldo Azevedo's show in the theater 3 months ago. The time now is 10:25. And the class starts at 10:30. What do you say? Adriana Coelho is going to teach us yoga in a few minutes, or in 5 minutes if you prefer. Today is Tuesday and it's 8 a.m. The online meeting is going to start in a couple of hours. And you're going to be there, right? And you can also say in 2 hours. They read an article about our school a couple of hours ago, or 2 hours ago. We saw Lenine at Espaço Cultural Escola Sesc 7 years ago. Well, now it's time to practice with the exercises in our roteiro and in the learning platform. And then practice your oral skills. Now you know how to do it. See you!